Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you avoid interruptions. Make sure Botim is updated and you are signed in. This prevents authentication errors. Once done, confirm the target device is online with stable Wi-Fi or mobile data so the pairing can complete. Next, enable notifications, contacts, and any device visibility permissions in the app settings. Without them, the trusted device flow can fail. Now you're ready to start the in-app trusted device process and initiate a secure link between devices. You now perform the core steps to add a trusted device. Open Botim, go to Settings, then Security or Devices, and tap Add Trusted Device. That starts the pairing sequence. Choose a verification method, QR scan or numeric code, based on what the other device supports. Once a code or QR appears, immediately scan it or enter the numeric code on the other device within the timeout window. Delays cause the code to expire. After verification, confirm device name and grant any requested permissions to complete linkage. You finish by validating the new trusted device and resolving common failures. Confirm the device shows under Trusted Devices and optionally rename it so you recognize it later. This helps manage access. Then test functionality by sending a message or placing a call to ensure sync and permissions work. If pairing fails, restart the app on both devices and verify network connectivity, then retry the verification step. Often a reboot or fresh network fixes timeouts and permission prompts that blocked the initial attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.